Let's talk about the wild physics journey your toast takes. It's pretty incredible, actually.
Where does that heat actually come from? Well, its journey starts miles away, believe it or not. It all kicks off at a power plant. That's where stored energy becomes raw electricity. So, you either burn fuel or split atoms, but the goal is the same: make steam, spin a turbine. That spinning turbine powers a generator, which gets tiny electrons flowing. And that flow, that's electricity. Okay, so now those electrons gotta hit the road, all the way from the plant to your kitchen. It zips through this huge grid, and bam, it's at your outlet in basically no time at all. So you push that lever down, and this is where the real magic starts, right inside your toaster. The secret is a special wire called nichrome. It's great at resisting electricity and can get super hot. Think of it like an electron traffic jam. They bump into atoms, and that friction creates crazy heat. Basically, the math is simple. More current and more resistance equals way more heat for your toast. So those glowing red-hot wires, they're actually cooking your bread in 3 different ways at once. You've got heat waves radiating out, hot air swirling around, and direct contact from the hot grate. All that heat kicks off a chemical reaction. You know it as that perfect, delicious browning on toast. So look at this chain of events. Energy just keeps changing form, from the power plant to your plate. And get this, toasters are crazy efficient. Almost all that electricity turns directly into heat. Nothing's wasted. It's wild, right? A massive energy system, all powering your simple breakfast. Pretty cool. So next time you pop in some bread, think about that incredible journey. It's way more than just toast.